In the oil and gas industry, running operations at optimal efficiency is critical to business productivity. The movement of support vessels to and from facilities can be time-consuming and expensive. To help solve these optimisation challenges and reduce vessel shipment costs, the industry turns to mathematician Ryan Loxton.
I've been fortunate to work on many different applications, different applied problems in different industries and different sectors: agriculture, mining, oil and gas, and our work is all about trying to use mathematical techniques to optimise these processes and make them more efficient, more cost effective and less environmentally damaging.
Professor Loxton and his Curtin University colleagues have also developed a tool for analysing different harvest and distribution options in the grains industry, helping grain growers streamline their operations.
A lot of these problems, they are from different applications, but they boil down to the same mathematical structure.
He says there's no end to the real-world problems that can be solved with mathematics.
Mathematics is all about trying to connect patterns. It's very hard work, a lot of hard work, and then when you finally do make those connections, it's elation.
He's hoping to make similar connections while working on new applications in advanced manufacturing and robotics. Because no matter how things change, the principles of mathematics will always be fundamental.